Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bushir Dolakia and you guys are watching Mature Reactions. I welcome you all on my channel. So, as a nation, as a beautiful country, we are India. हमारे पास जो है वो सब कुछ है जो कि I think Mother Nature has. हमारे पास जो है वो beautiful एक तरह से राजस्थान का रेगिस्तान है, तो दूसरी ओर हमारे पास एक माउंटेन रेंज है हिमालय की जो कि बहुत ही लंबी है. उसके साथ हमारे पास ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट है, रेन फॉरेस्ट है. हमारे पास ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप्स है जो कि बड़े बड़े मैदान है. एक एंडलेस आप बोल सकते हैं, काउंटलेस मैदान है. हिमाचल जाए, उत्तराखंड जाए, आपके पास आई थिंक वो सारी जगह वहाँ पे आपको मिलती है. और आपको इंडिया में हर स्टेट में कहीं ना कहीं ऐसी खूबसूरत जगह मिलती है जो कि अपने आप में एक हेरिटेज है, हिस्ट्री है. एंड हमारे पास उससे अलावा जो सबसे आई थिंक बेहतरीन चीज़ है वो है नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, जिसके पास सब कुछ है. नेचर है, कल्चर है, उसके पास रेन फॉरेस्ट है, ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट है, बड़े बड़े एक तरह से वाटरफॉल्स है. आई थिंक वो एक नेचर को अपने आप में समाया हुआ है. एंड जितना भी आप देखें, आई थिंक देर आर काउंटलेस प्लेसेस, देर आर आई थिंक नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस वेयर यू कैन जस्ट fall in love in the nature and you just want to जैसे बोलते हैं कि आप वहाँ पे जाके खो जाना चाहते हैं. You just want to be there and you just want to get lost, because this kind of a places I've definitely seen in my few reaction video and they are beautiful. And no matter how many videos you make on Northeast, I think there are still, you feel that there is one more video you want to make. And I made videos on Meghalaya as well, on Shillong, but this video has come up to me and I said I want to watch this video as well because this seems to be fun, interesting. So today we're gonna react on yet another video of Northeast India and of Meghalaya, Shillong. The title of this video is Top 5 Beautiful Places to Explore in Shillong, Meghalaya. So yeah, let's see the video first. The original link is in the description and make sure you watch this entire video. If you like my reaction, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's see the video first, then we'll discuss the video.
This is the story how a girl from Delhi went on her first trip to northeast of India, that is Meghalaya, and how she fell in love with the people.
Good shot. I'm sure you fall in love because
the culture.
Yeah, culture, people, they are just amazing, the Northeast India.
The food. The landscapes.
Yeah, not to forget that.
So come with me all the way up.
Whoa, that's scary, man. That is really scary.
And all the way down.
All nature, all nature, you are surrounded by nature,
As I
nothing
revealed
artificial.
to how she climbed, the views that she saw.
Wow. This video will be fun, man. This will be fun for sure.
Beautiful places. Beautiful sights. Beautiful rivers.
Wow. That's too good, man. That's too good to describe.
Welcome to my journey.
Mera Meghalaya. Yeah? Totally get it, man. Wow. These people know how to shoot, man.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle and today I have started my first trip of 2020 and this is my first time I'm going to Northeast. अभी थोड़ा भागते भागते एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे हैं क्योंकि फ्लाइट निकलने वाली थी. I'm in flight and it has just started. 6:25 it is in the early morning and शायद हमें सनराइज भी देखने को मिलेगा. एंड आई एम वेरी हंग्री. लेट्स सी. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग दैट दे विल गिव मी समथिंग टू ईट.
एयर एशिया की उड़ान अब आप क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड से खरीदारी कर सकते हैं.
So finally, Guwahati.
गुवाहाटी
पूरा प्लेन खाली है क्या?
मेरा नेक्स्ट चैलेंज था वहाँ से शिलोंग पहुँचने का बेस्ट वे ढूंढना.
So guys, we have now reached on Guwahati airport and यहाँ से भी पता किया हमने तो बस जाती है जो 9:30 बजे सुबह चलती है एंड वो आपको पल्टन बाजार उतारेगी एंड वहाँ से फिर आपको शेयर ले सकते हैं. 300 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन चार्ज करता है टू रीच शिलोंग, दैट इज़ पुलिस बाजार. एंड यहाँ से आप टैक्सी भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने अभी प्राइस पूछा था, पहले 500 था बट ये बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ चार्जेस इंक्रीज़ हो गए हैं. सो पर पर्सन यू हैव टू गिव नाउ 600 रुपीज़ टू रीच शिलोंग पुलिस बाजार फ्रॉम हियर एयरपोर्ट. एंड अभी 10 मिनट हो गए हैं, एक और बंदे का वेट कर रहे हैं, वो आए शेयर कर ले ताकि हमें पैसे थोड़े कम देने पड़े. अब कितना टाइम और लग जाएगा? 1.5 घंटा? 1.5 घंटा लगेगा. Guys, we have reached halfway from Assam, from Guwahati.
गुवाहाटी से शिलोंग जाते
Wow.
हुए ही मैं पहुंची मेरे सबसे पहले सबसे अमेजिंग जगह पे, दैट इज़ उमियाम लेक.
Yeah, Umiam Lake. I heard about it. I think I've seen as well.
Hi guys, so this is Umiam Lake and ये लेक जो है उमियाम रिवर पे एक्चुअली डैम की वजह से डैम बनाया गया था एंड उसकी वजह से ये लेक बन गया है. लोग यहाँ पे बोटिंग करते हैं एंड इट्स वेरी पीसफुल, वेरी नाइस विंड. थोड़ा सा कोल्ड है तो इसलिए कैरी सम वार्म क्लॉथ्स हियर. तो नीचे जाके आप बोटिंग कर सकते हो.
Drone shots are always fun. You just love it. कहीं पे भी हो ड्रोन शॉट हमें अच्छा लगता है, चाहे इन कॉस्मोपॉलिटन सिटी और इन नेचर एनीवेयर.
उमियाम लेक के बाद मैं पहुंची उस चर्च में जिसे देखने का मुझे बहुत इंतज़ार था.
Well, that's really beautiful church.
Guys, now I am in the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, which is a church situated in Shillong.
Really beautiful.
And it is the biggest church I have seen so far.
Yeah.
And inside camera is not allowed. I'm sorry, I cannot show you, but it's very pretty from inside, very peaceful, and people are praying, so therefore it's not good to disturb
Yeah,
them.
absolutely.
So give it a visit.
We were having a service like morning, afternoon and evening.
Evening.
चर्च विजिट के बाद मैंने डिसाइड किया टू एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑफ शिलोंग बट नेक्स्ट डे.
Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2 and after doing breakfast I have like 2 kilometers walk from my hotel. Next place on my list is Wards Lake, which is in Shillong. There is entry ticket here. To enter you have to pay, if you are an adult you have to pay 10 rupees per person, and if you are taking camera you have to pay 20 rupees.
Well, that's quite fair. Is it a real sound of flowing water there? Because if it is, then I love in such place, just so relaxing. Wow, this is like heaven, really.
Wards Lake surprised me. Not just beautiful flowers, fresh air, but also such calmness and peace
Yeah.
right in the middle of the city.
Like everything is stand still, frozen in time, and this is giving me a vibes of Europe
So
kind of a
guys,
culture.
there is one Bamboo Hut restaurant as well in Wards
Somewhere
Lake,
in
so if
Europe,
you want to have
in
lunch,
London,
you
England.
can have it. And there is boating as well you can do, but if like let's say you have kids with you, so they would enjoy. But I think I'll prefer to do boating in Dauki River. This is the beautiful Wards Lake. So guys, now I'm going back from Wards Lake to Police Bazaar, and it is very difficult because you can see it's so small.
पुलिस बाज़ार पहुंच के आई हायर्ड अ टैक्सी बिकॉज मेरी नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन थोड़ी दूर थी, जिसके बारे में मैंने बहुत पढ़ा है, बहुत इमेजेस भी देखी हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वो बहुत अनएक्सप्लोर्ड है।
This is the road connected India to Tripura, Meghalaya to Tripura, Meghalaya to Mizoram.
Okay.
एंड रास्ते में ही मेरी मुलाकात हुई वहाँ की मीठी मीठी बारिश की बूंदों से, which made me recall
I mean,
that
we are in
indeed
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya is a board of clouds.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi guys, so I have finally reached Nartyang Monolith, and from Shillong actually I hired a taxi, and it took like 2 or 2.5 hours from there. It's around 60 kilometers and very hilly area. In between I enjoyed rain as well, and it is the largest collection of monoliths which are naturally formed and naturally arranged in this pattern. This is one of the very peaceful place. I read some reviews and it was written it has some magical powers.
Wow.
This place doesn't give feeling like that of Earth. It feels like entirely I'm on a different planet. Maybe Mars.
So this is what I didn't get it actually.
As this place is very distant from Shillong, what I observed is there is literally no one here, not even a single person except me. And it looks like this is a scene from the set of Game of Thrones.
Yeah, it does. Glimpses of that, yeah.
Guys, these monoliths are made up of limestone, that is calcium carbonate, and there is no entry fee to this place. And if you are in Shillong, this is a must that you should visit this place. Very beautiful, and if you will visit, then only you can feel the vibe.
Right.
Not only the monoliths, guys, if you can see behind me, the views are amazing.
I mean, which place in Northeast, you know, the views are not amazing. You can just look around and view is fantastic, man.
So I'll introduce with whom I came. What's your name?
My name is Lok.
Contact him whenever you are coming to Shillong. He tells very honestly how much to charge, how many days to go and where. And in Shillong, he is the best person to go with.
नार्थियांग मोनोलिथ से वापस
Well,
लौटते हुए
I'm sure that's debatable.
लुम के कहने पे हमने चाय और छोटे से डिनर के लिए रुकने का फैसला किया।
My driver told me actually that we should stop somewhere because he wanted to have tea. So I thought, why not? I should also try some tea and some khasi food.
You can have it like that.
Okay.
That is very nice.
Guys, I had coffee and some khasi food, which is very local food, and it was very yummy. You should try. As it is very healthy and very reasonable.
Yeah,
and
very
good
healthy, for
people to
sure.
serve you.
अगले दिन शिलोंग से चिरुपुंजी के लिए निकलते हुए हमने डिसाइड किया वो 2 प्लेसेस देखने का जो मैं कल रात होने की वजह से नहीं एक्सप्लोर कर पाई थी।
Love football.
Yeah,
In,
yes.
in World Cup time na, every house watching football till morning time. Whole night.
Yeah, I mean, you guys love
I do
football
love
for sure. I mean, why not? You know, Sunil Shetty, Baichung Bhutia, there are so many heroes that Northeast has given to our country.
Just by taking taxi from Shillong. Suggestion that I would like to give you for coming here is that do not follow Google Maps while for reaching here, because we tried yesterday and the gate does not allow entry anymore to view this point. So therefore hire a taxi and come from there. There is another route and you have to cross basically Air Force area for moving here. So therefore you have to carry one ID proof with you, and the entry fee per person is 30 rupees. And one more thing, drone footage you cannot take here, and Indians are only allowed to
Okay.
use.
Wow, that's very colorful, isn't it? Very beautiful.
So guys, the last stop near Shillong is Elephant Falls, which is actually 3-step falls because it falls into 3 steps. And Elephant Falls name was given by Britishers because previously there used to be a rock resembling elephant by the side of the waterfall, which is now destroyed and no more there. First Falls. Second falls, which is very beautiful, all surrounded by nature and so green and peaceful here. Finally, third fall, guys.
वाटरफॉल के पास बैठकर हवा और गिरते हुए पानी की आवाज़ सुनते हुए मैं सोच रही थी आने वाले चिरापुंजी के वाटरफॉल्स कितने अमेजिंग एंड सरप्राइजिंग होंगे। सो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू एक्सप्लोर इन चिरापुंजी। Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Alright, so that was a beautiful video of resembling Shillong, beautiful places. You know, I'm sure that you people have definitely enjoyed it because I've seen and reacted few videos of Shillong, Meghalaya, and trust me, you know, the more you see, more you fall in love with it because there are so many places, you know, you just think that now it's over, now what's new, you know, what's going to be next, and now you see you know, new video and suddenly absolutely new places pops up, and that's I think beauty of Northeast. That's the beauty of Meghalaya, Shillong as well. Now coming back to the video, I think it was fantastic video. I think shot beautifully, and it was a beautifully shot vlog, you know, kind of we are going through with them and we are exploring the places and talking about the places, you know, Shillong, I think definitely is one of the prime destination when it comes to the Northeast India. When it comes to the tourists, they want to visit Shillong for sure, and it is kind of, you know, fashion capital as well because we all know that Shillong people and people of Northeast generally are very good in the fashion, and you know, they know how to preserve their places and preserve their you know, history as well. इस वीडियो की भी जहाँ तक बात करें, आई थिंक सबसे जो हाईलाइट वो चीज़ थी वो थी कि आप शहर के इधर उधर के हसल फसल से, यू नो, यू गेट पीस, यू गेट absolutely enjoy it to the nature. What is nature there, you can definitely enjoy it and you can witness, you can hear the peace, the calmness, and I think the positive vibes coming through to you know, this kind of a places. You know, that particular Mount Mary Church, I think very beautiful. It was, I think, cathedral, but I think it was very beautifully, I think, architectured as well, and I think the color and everything was so beautiful, so amazing. It's of course due to security reasons and due to some protocols as well, we need to maintain that we can't shoot inside, but I'm sure that this is even beautiful, you know, than what it shows from the outside, because definitely it was one of the best church I've seen, I think, after a long time. And you know, Northeast definitely have some beautiful churches I've seen in few videos, and you know, other park, Shillong, you know, it was one of the park, one of the monolith places as well, and those places were also very beautiful, you know, like it's a great combination of the modern and the heritage, the history, and it's just absolutely amazing. Then you saw that waterfalls, you know, I mean, being in Meghalaya, you can't see waterfall. That's, I think, is kind of a big joke. So yeah, I think that's absolutely fantastic. Or I think Meghalaya ki baat kare, it's definitely you know, land of rain, land of clouds, and no wonder कि हमें बारिश भी हमें witness करने का मौका मिला. एक छोटी सी glimpse मिली हमें खांसी फूड जो कि है उसकी, और उसके बाद जो वहाँ की हॉस्पिटलिटी है उसकी, and of course you people love football as well, so there is no doubt about it that there is a huge craze among you people for the football. Like you know, here in north side you can say there is cricket, in south is, I think there is you know, cricket, as well as you can say a little bit of football, but you people are absolutely into the football as well. And if you go to the Punjab, Haryana and this side, there are kabaddi, hockey, and you know, stuff like that. You go to Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi, there is more about the cricket. You go to the Bengal or Northeast India, stuff like that. There is a huge craze of football, so it's definitely is there. And I definitely would love to react on, I think, one of the video where how many sportsmen are there coming up from the Northeast India. I think that would be interesting video to show, and I definitely would love to react on it as well. So yeah, I think this video was, I think, fabulous. I'm sure you definitely enjoyed it. I did. You let me know how you found this video. If you like my reaction, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any reaction like me, you can let me know. If you want me to suggest anything, if you want me to react on your favorite videos, do let me know. You can let me know in the comment section. I will happy to react on your favorite videos as well. So yeah guys, इतना ही रखते हैं इस वीडियो में. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being with me. You guys please take care of yours and your family. I will see you again. Till then, bye bye and take care.